Hey guys, I'm in Accra. I'm in Ghana, and yeah, I wanted to do a quick apartment tour to show everybody what some apartments in Ghana look like. I know when I was planning my trip, I really was interested in what the apartments look like. I really didn't have any idea of what to expect because yeah, it just there's not very much out there on like the apartments and stuff in terms of on YouTube. And then if you Google it, you get a very big range of what um, what things look like. So this is this apartment that I am staying in. It's in Atomic, and which is sort of away from the city, which will be like most cities will be like downtown. It's sort of far away from that, and with traffic, it makes it very far away from that. When they say Ghana traffic is real, it is very real. Like it takes about an hour and a half or 2 hours to get over to the city or to like the downtown area. So when you have business to handle and stuff like that, it's definitely like an all day ordeal. And if you have more than one thing and the first thing's not going to plant, it may be a 2 day ordeal. But anyhow, I will get back to that in a different video. So the sun is setting, so I did want to go ahead and get this video out quickly. So this is a no judgment zone. So I didn't get to fully straighten up, but I did try to tidy up a little bit. Um, and there's not much in this apartment. I'm just staying here, like I said, for the moment. But yeah, so I will go ahead and show you the apartment. If there's anything else I think about, I'll go ahead and pop my face back on the screen. But otherwise, I'm going to just turn the camera around and show the apartment. So since I'm already over in this area, I'll just show, they're very big on safety and security. So all of the windows have those boards on it, as well as the door. It has these boards on it. And this towel is here to keep all the dust and dirt and sand out of the apartment. And that is the front door. So very nice. You have to put a curtain up for some privacy, but it's very nice. It's definitely very nice. And like I said, you can definitely lock yourself up very nicely for safety. The only thing is, because of all the dust and the dirt, it definitely makes you have to clean a lot more, and you appreciate a paved road more, not only because of your vehicle, but because of the dust and the dirt. When you have cars going up and down the road and trucks going up and down the road, it creates a lot of dust and dirt in the air. And once it gets in the air, obviously it gets all over you, your skin. I've been washing my face like crazy, and in your home. It makes all your things dusty and mopping the floor and that type of thing. So yeah. But so this is the living room. And it's a very nice size. It really is. It's not crazy big, but it's not really like crazy small either. And this is a sofa that was obviously purchased in Ghana. So it's very nice sofa. I don't know the price. I will try to do a video on maybe like furniture, going furniture shopping in Ghana. But these are the sofas and with the matching chairs. And they're very nice. Again, I don't know how much the set was altogether. And the walls are a flat paint. That's why it looks so dry. I prefer glossy paint. I know it's a very small thing, but yeah. And these are the way the plug outlets are in the walls are cement. That's what I was trying to say. The walls are cement, so you won't see a lot of things hanging on the wall. And the same thing in the ceiling. Sorry guys. The ceilings are cement, so they put these slats up and to hang like a fan if you want, but you don't really have a lot of options in terms of hanging things unless I guess you drill into the cement, like if you want to hang your TV or something. So this area that I am in is like the dining room. You could put a table and chairs and that type of thing in here to have dinner, or it could be like an office or something, because the kitchen is actually big enough to eat in if you prefer. Um, and it's a pretty nice size as well. And these are the cabinets, nothing fancy. They're not terrible, in terms of like, the living standards we're used to. Um, I would say they're actually fine. The only thing I would do would probably change the hardware on it because it just, looks like it needs to be. But, or what you would sort of expect in the States, um, for cabinets. But they're not bad. They're fine. And that's the sink. Again, boards on the windows. And this is a brand new microwave, as well as a refrigerator. And the freezer is at the bottom. And it's a small refrigerator. Stove, a very small stove. About 1/3 of the size of stove, I keep saying stove, 1/3 of the size of refrigerators in the States. Now, again, no judgment zone, okay? Because this room is a mess, the makeup is everywhere, clothes and so on, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys, while I have time. So, yes, this area is the bedroom, and, again, very safe and all of that type of stuff in terms of the bars and those type of things in the bed. It's a very nice sized bedroom actually, because it has a wardrobe, a shoe chest, and a bed. And it's I think it's a king size bed. So it is a very nice size. Now, this is I think I feel a mosquito. Sorry guys, it's a bed. I've seen a mosquito, guys. I'm so sorry. So, this is the bathroom, and this has a basin, a toilet. A lot of places have toilets outside of the same area as the shower, but this one is together. Sorry, I was mopping earlier, so that's why I had to mop sort of different. And this is the shower area. And then you have one rack to hang your towel. So yeah, so that is actually the full apartment tour. And in terms of cost, I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but if someone wanted to lease this apartment for 1 year, then it would be, I believe, between like 250 to 300 US dollars a month to lease the apartment for an entire year. And the way they do leasing over here is you have to pay in advance, and you have to pay the year in advance. Sometimes they make you pay 2 years in advance, but I believe in this apartment contract, it only makes you pay one. And the apartment has, I believe, 4 or 5 units in it. So yeah, that is that. To see in the tour, I hope that it was helpful to someone. If you have any questions or suggestions or want to link up or anything, just let me know down in the comments. Or I don't know if my email is linked to this page. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments with your email address, and I can email you back. If you're in Accra Ghana. So I will end this video, and there'll be more to come. So keep watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.